Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio, and today I'm doing another little, well, this one's a moth. Most of them are moths in my book, actually, but they're the most interesting and colorful. Doing them with my brush markers again, and if you didn't see the first one, I'll link it down below, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. So like the last one, just a quick little video snip. And I hope you liked it. The picture following is I already used this one in an art journal page, so I'm just doing a close-up of the moth. I hope you like it. Let me know, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.